Did you know that Harvard University may have accidentally created one of America's most dangerous terrorists? In 1959, a brilliant 16-year-old math student named Theodore Kaczynski walked into a psychology lab at Harvard. He thought he was participating in a simple research study. Instead, he became the subject of brutal psychological experiments that would haunt him for decades. For 3 years, Dr. Henry Murray subjected Kaczynski to what he called multiform assessments. These weren't ordinary tests. They were designed to break down everything the young genius believed about himself and the world. Week after week, researchers attacked his deepest values and core identity. They recorded these sessions, forcing him to watch his own psychological breakdown over and over again. The brilliant teenager who entered those sessions began to crack under the systematic assault on his mind. Years later, that same broken student would become the Unabomber, targeting the very academics and technologists who represented the system that had tortured him. Harvard's own research methods had engineered a monster, one calculated psychological wound at a time.